What was one of the earliest means of transportation? परिवहन का सबसे प्रारंभिक साधन क्या था? Option is A. Walking, B. Swimming, C. Flying, D. Rowing. Answer is option A. Walking.
Fill in the blanks. Long ago, people moved only on foot and carried goods on their blank. Option is A. Head, B. Back, C. Hand, D. Shoulder. Answer is option B. Back.
Which invention revolutionized transportation by land? किस आविष्कार ने भूमि मार्ग से परिवहन में क्रांति ला दी? Option is A. Boat, B. Wheel, C. Steam engine, D. Aeroplane. Answer is option B. Wheel.
Which system of measurement was introduced by the French in 1790? 1790 में फ्रांसीसियों ने माप की कौन सी प्रणाली शुरू की थी? Option is A. Meter, B. Cubit, C. Foot, D. Mile. Answer is option A. Meter.
What is the standard unit of length in the International System of Units? अंतर्राष्ट्रीय इकाई प्रणाली में लंबाई की मानक इकाई क्या है? Option is A. Foot, B. Yard, C. Meter, D. Kilometer. Answer is option C. Meter.
What type of motion involves objects moving along a straight line? सीधी रेखा में गति करने वाली वस्तुओं में किस प्रकार की गति शामिल होती है? Option is A. Circular, वृत्ताकार, B. Rectilinear, सरलरेखीय, C. Periodic, आवर्त, D. Rotational, घूर्णी. Answer is option B. Rectilinear, सरलरेखीय.
Which of the following is an example of circular motion? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा वृत्तीय गति का उदाहरण है? Option is A. Falling stone, गिरता हुआ पत्थर, B. Electric fan blades, बिजली के पंखे के ब्लेड, C. Sprinters in a race, दौड़ में भाग लेने वाले धावक, D. Pendulum swinging, झूलता हुआ पेंडुलम. Answer is option B. Electric fan blades, बिजली के पंखे के ब्लेड.
What type of motion involves repeating the same motion after a fixed interval? किस प्रकार की गति में एक निश्चित अंतराल के बाद एक ही गति को दोहराना शामिल होता है? Option is A. Rectilinear, सरलरेखीय, B. Circular, वृत्ताकार, C. Periodic, आवर्त, D. Rotational, घूर्णी. Answer is option C. Periodic, आवर्त.
Which unit of measurement was commonly used in ancient Egypt? प्राचीन मिस्र में माप की कौन सी इकाई आमतौर पर इस्तेमाल की जाती थी? Option is A. Meter, B. Foot, C. Cubit, D. Yard. Answer is option C. Cubit.
What unit of length is equal to 1000 meters? लंबाई की कौन सी इकाई 1000 मीटर के बराबर होती है? Option is A. Mile, B. Yard, C. Kilometer, D. Centimeter. Answer is option C. Kilometer.
Which type of motion involves objects moving in a circular path? वृत्ताकार पथ पर गति करने वाली वस्तुएं किस प्रकार की गति में शामिल होती हैं? Option is A. Rectilinear, B. Circular, C. Periodic, D. Rotational. Answer is option B. Circular.
What is the SI unit of length? Option is A. Mile, B. Yard, C. Meter, D. Centimeter. Answer is option C. Meter.
Which invention led to the development of railroads and steam-powered boats? किस आविष्कार के कारण रेलमार्ग और भाप से चलने वाली नावों का विकास हुआ? Option is A. Steam engine, B. Wheel, C. Boat, D. Aeroplane. Answer is option A. Steam engine.
What type of motion involves objects rotating around a fixed point? Option is A. Rectilinear, B. Circular, C. Periodic, D. Rotational. Answer is option D. Rotational.
Which unit of length was commonly used in ancient India? Option is A. Meter, B. Foot, C. Cubit, D. Yard. Answer is option C. Cubit.
What system of units is commonly used by scientists worldwide? Option is A. Imperial system, B. Metric system, C. Standard system, D. Ancient system. Answer is option B. Metric system.
What is the primary means of transportation for a sprinter in a race? Option is A. Boat, B. Bicycle, C. Running shoes, D. Feet. Answer is option C. Running shoes.
Which unit of length is smaller, kilometer or meter? लंबाई की कौन सी इकाई छोटी है, किलोमीटर या मीटर? ऑप्शन इज A. किलोमीटर, B. मीटर, C. They are equal, D. It depends. Answer is option B. Meter.
Which type of motion involves objects moving back and forth in a regular pattern? किस प्रकार की गति में वस्तुएं नियमित पैटर्न में आगे पीछे चलती हैं? Option is A. Rectilinear, सररेखीय, B. Circular, वृत्ताकार, C. Periodic, आवर्त, D. Rotational, घूर्णी. Answer is option C. Periodic, आवर्त.
What unit of length is used in measuring very small distances? बहुत छोटी दूरियों को मापने में लंबाई की किस इकाई का उपयोग किया जाता है? ऑप्शन इज A. माइल, B. किलोमीटर, C. सेंटीमीटर, D. मीटर. Answer is option C. Centimeter.
The invention of the wheel brought a great change in modes of transport, leading to the use of carts pulled by blank. Option is A. Horses, B. Elephants, C. Donkeys, D. Oxen. Answer is option D. Oxen.
The French introduced the blank system of measurement in 1790. Option is A. Metric, B. Imperial, C. Standard, D. Ancient. Answer is option A. Metric.
The standard unit of length in the international system of units is the blank. Option is A. Foot, B. Yard, C. Meter, D. Inch. Answer is option C. Meter.
Motion along a straight line is called blank motion. Option is A. Circular, B. Rectilinear, C. Periodic, D. Rotational. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
circular motion involves moving along a blank path. Option is A. Straight, B. Curved, C. Zigzag, D. Diagonal. Answer is option B. Curved.
Periodic motion repeats the same motion after a fixed blank of time. Option is A. Distance, B. Interval, C. Length, D. Period. Answer is option B. Interval.
The ancient Egyptians used the blank as a unit of length. Option is A. Foot, B. Yard, C. Cubit, D. Meter. Answer is option C. Cubit.
The SI unit of length is the blank. Option is A. Mile, B. Yard, C. Meter, D. Centimeter. Answer is option C. Meter.
Objects undergoing circular motion rotate around a blank point. Option is A. Fixed, B. Moving, C. Changing, D. Random. Answer is option A. Fixed.
The steam engine led to the development of blank and steam-powered boats. Option is A. Railroads, B. Bicycles, C. Cars, D. Airplanes. Answer is option A. Railroads.
The primary means of transportation for a sprinter in a race is their blank. Option is A. Boat, B. Bicycle, C. Feet, D. Wings. Answer is option C. Feet.
The blank is the smallest unit of length in the International System of Units. Option is A. Mile, B. Kilometer, C. Centimeter, D. Meter. Answer is option C. Centimeter.
The metric system was introduced for the sake of blank. Option is A. Complexity, B. Uniformity, C. Tradition, D. Diversity. Answer is option B. Uniformity.
Ancient Indians used the blank as a small unit of length. Option is A. Meter, B. Foot, C. Cubit, D. Angul. Answer is option D. Angul.
Rectilinear motion involves motion along a blank line. Option is A. Straight, B. Curved, C. Zigzag, D. Diagonal. Answer is option A. Straight.
Circular motion involves moving along a blank path. Option is A. Straight, B. Curved, C. Zigzag, D. Diagonal. Answer is option B. Curved.
The blank is commonly used as a unit of length in many towns of India by flower sellers. Option is A. Foot, B. Meter, C. Cubit, D. Forearm. Answer is option D. Forearm.
The blank was created to ensure uniformity in measurement. Option is A. Metric system, B. Imperial system, C. Ancient system, D. Standard system. Answer is option A, metric system.
Correct measurement involves using appropriate measuring devices and ensuring blank. Option is A. Complexity. B. Uniformity. C. Tradition. D. Accuracy. Answer is option D. Accuracy.